Hi, M5774. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day, mom and sir. My name is Jennifer R. Paradela. I am 33 years old and I am college undergraduate of Bachelor of Science Information and Technology. I have a living partner with two kids, one boy and one girl, aged 12 and 9 years old.
Okay, your religion.
I am Catholic.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years and I am stay out. My main duty is taking care of their kids, one boy and one girl. Um,
Okay, and other household chores.
I also doing a household chores like cleaning the house, sometimes cooking, and then laundry.
Okay, then you have another experience also being a helper in Kuwait, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in Kuwait.
I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years, serving as for the family of four.
Okay,
And then I take care of newborn baby up to 2 years old. My
okay,
main duties there is to take care their son, and then sometimes cleaning the house, and then car washing.
okay. How many car do you car wash?
Two.
Okay, you car wash of two cars. So since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby since on Philippines and also in Kuwait, so for sure you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes.
Okay, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn?
First, I need to wash my hands, washing the bottles, and then sterilize it, and then put the warm water and the exact amount of milk, and then shake it well, and then I will check it first if it's good to give the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check his temperature, the tummy, and then check if the diaper is full, and I will change it.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper and also check the temperature and also check the tummy, maybe the baby is hungry. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
Well, I think it's time for to ask my madam if because she knows best than me.
Okay, so you will ask your madam what you should do to the baby to make it stop to cry. Because maybe she is only the one knows what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right? Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to work in Hong Kong for my kids for their future, and then aside from the country there is near from here, I also want to experience another country.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to stay there, I will stay.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, of course.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to
And
learn.
how will you learn to cook?
Maybe I will watching the YouTube or some recipe books.
Okay, you will read some recipe books. And also, if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could
Yes.
learn, right? Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly, it's okay with you?
Yes.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes.
Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
Um, Hello to my future employer. If you hire me, I will assure you that I am hardworking, fast learner, um, honest, trustworthy, and loving person.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Jennifer. Thank you.
Thank you.